Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and if you're already feeling the pressure of planning, cooking, and cleaning up after that big feast, take a deep breath, because this year you don't have to lift a finger. Rhode Island's best restaurants are stepping up to make your holiday delicious, easy, and stress-free. From elegant dine-in experiences to cozy takeout dinners ready to serve, there's something for everyone who wants to skip the kitchen chaos and still enjoy all the Thanksgiving classics. Whether you crave that perfect roast turkey, creamy mashed potatoes, or a decadent pumpkin dessert, these local spots have you covered. And the best part? Many of them are giving back to the community while they do it. So if you're staying home, visiting family, or just want to make this Thanksgiving simple and special, listen closely, because we're counting down the top Rhode Island restaurants making the holiday magic happen this year. Let's start in Providence, where the Patio on Broadway is making generosity part of the holiday menu. Located at 166 Broadway, this popular spot is offering full Thanksgiving dinners for takeout, serving up to 8 people for $249, or smaller gatherings for around $189.99 with a carved turkey breast. What makes their offer extra special is that for every meal purchased, they'll donate a full turkey to the Rhode Island Food Bank, turning your family's feast into a gift for someone else in need. Orders can be placed online or by phone, with pickup available Wednesday or early Thanksgiving morning. And if you just want a smaller portion, you can even order a la carte for $30 per person. It's the perfect option for anyone who wants all the flavor and none of the stress or the dishes. Thanksgiving made easy and kind-hearted, right in the heart of Providence. Just a few blocks away, the Capitol Grill at 10 Memorial Boulevard is rolling out the red carpet for Thanksgiving diners. Open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., this upscale steakhouse isn't just sticking to its signature menu. They're adding a traditional turkey dinner special for $50 per adult and $20 for kids. Think roasted turkey, savory stuffing, buttery mashed potatoes, and that rich cranberry sauce you wait for all year. But if you'd rather enjoy Thanksgiving at home, they've got you covered there too. Their takeout package includes all the sides you need to pair with your own home-roasted bird, serving up to 4 people for $135. You can pick it up on November 26th or 27th, perfectly timed for the big meal. Elegant, convenient, and delicious, the Capitol Grill proves that even a holiday steeped in tradition can come with a touch of fine dining. If you're in the mood for something with a little more flair, Fleming's Steakhouse on 1 West Exchange Street has you covered. They're offering a 2-course Thanksgiving menu where guests can choose between turkey breast or a bone-in ribeye, both paired with classic sides, stuffing, and a bright cinnamon orange cranberry sauce. Prices start at $59 per guest, and there's even a 3-course children's menu for those 12 and under, ranging from $22 to $34. For takeout, Fleming's is making things effortless with a full spread bundle for 6 people starting at $260, or a sides-only bundle for $140. Imagine bringing home a perfectly cooked meal, ready to serve, without having to lift a carving knife. They open early at 11 a.m., so whether you want to dine in style or pick up a feast to go, Fleming's brings the flavor and the convenience to your holiday table. For those seeking a more local touch, Mills Tavern on North Main Street is crafting a Thanksgiving Day experience that blends sophistication with comfort. Known for their farm-to-table approach and cozy brick interior, the restaurant is serving a special prix-fixe dinner priced at $65 per person. Guests can expect a perfectly roasted turkey accompanied by buttery mashed potatoes, maple-glazed root vegetables, sausage stuffing, and rich turkey gravy, each dish highlighting fresh, regional ingredients. For dessert, Mills Tavern is offering a choice between a classic pumpkin pie topped with whipped cream and a decadent chocolate tart with espresso ganache. The atmosphere is intimate yet lively, ideal for both family gatherings and romantic dinners alike. With seating available from noon until 7 p.m., it's the kind of Thanksgiving meal that turns a simple holiday into a memorable fine dining experience. No stress, no cleanup, just pure seasonal indulgence. Heading over to Red Stripe on Engle Street, guests can look forward to a Thanksgiving celebration filled with warmth and nostalgia. This spot is known for its casual, family-friendly vibe, the kind of place where laughter and the aroma of roasted turkey fill the air. Their special 3-course holiday menu starts at $43 for adults and $22 for kids, featuring a maple brine turkey that's tender, flavorful, and served with all the traditional sides. Think creamy mashed potatoes, savory stuffing, roasted vegetables, and tangy cranberry sauce that ties it all together. They're also offering takeout for those who prefer to eat at home, with convenient morning pickups available on Thanksgiving Day. What's great about Red Stripe is its mix of elegance and ease. You can show up dressed to the nines or in your coziest sweater, and you'll still feel right at home. It's the kind of restaurant that captures the true spirit of Thanksgiving: togetherness, comfort, and really good food made with heart. If Italian flair is more your style, Il Massimo on Atwells Avenue has something special cooking this Thanksgiving. From 11:30 a.m. to 7 p.m., guests can enjoy a traditional 3-course meal for $51 per person, served with that unmistakable Italian warmth and hospitality. Expect rich, hearty flavors, from savory soups to perfectly seasoned turkey and creamy sides that taste like they came straight out of a Tuscan kitchen. A limited a la carte menu will also be available for anyone craving their favorite pasta dishes alongside the turkey. Over at Hemingway's, another Providence gem, the vibe is coastal and elegant. They'll be open from 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., serving fresh seafood alongside holiday favorites. Think lobster and oysters next to the turkey platter. And for those looking for a little adventure, Fogo de Chao at Providence Place will turn Thanksgiving into a full-on Brazilian feast. From 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., you can watch chefs roast meats over an open churrasco grill, filling the air with irresistible smoky aromas. A Thanksgiving like no other, and reservations are already in high demand. And if you're heading toward the coast this Thanksgiving, Newport has some mouth-watering options waiting for you. Johnny's Restaurant at the Wyndham Newport Hotel is offering 2 different ways to celebrate: a grand Thanksgiving buffet from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. for just $35 per adult and $19 for kids, complete with roast turkey, top round of beef, baked stuffed scrod, and a dessert spread that'll make you forget about saving room. Later in the evening, from 5:30 to 8 p.m., they'll serve a plated dinner for $28 per adult, with smaller portions for the little ones. Over at the Chandler at Cliff Walk, you can enjoy a luxurious 4-course Thanksgiving meal while gazing at the ocean, a perfect setting for a picture-perfect holiday. It's $145 per person, with a 3-course children's menu for $55, featuring their signature green circle turkey and all the elegant sides. And finally, the Mooring Seafood Kitchen and Bar is focusing on takeout only this year, a $215 package serving 4, ready to pick up and enjoy at home. No matter where you are in Rhode Island, there's a seat or a takeout bag waiting for you this Thanksgiving. So relax, skip the dishes, and savor the flavors of gratitude.